Hi, I'm Piers. I'm a principal software engineer at Connect, and I'm really excited to share what we've been working on for the latest release.
So this is the current candidate experience as it stands today. And as you can see, you can add things, you can update your information on your profile. If you want to apply to a job, you can go ahead, click apply, step through each of these, and you can update what you actually want to send from your profile. Maybe you don't want to include your education, for instance, and then review what you wanted to apply with. Let me show you the new experience. So as is very familiar, you start on your profile, but we've actually added these tooltips to help the candidate tell their story and guide them in the whole process. And we've done that with just about all of these, just to help them understand what they're supposed to do with each of these features. We've also added a left nav, as you can see, and that allows you to navigate to one of our new features. So this is a feature. It's called Application Templates, and you might start out with a waiter template for applications that you want to submit, and maybe you want to change the way you're presenting yourself. So for instance, I could hit the duplicate button here. I start out with a new template. Maybe I want to apply for a manager position. So I will change all of my work history and change the phrasing so that I'm better suited for that position that I'm interested in applying to. Then when you actually go to fill out an application, you can see the applications are taking up a full page, and you can see your working, sent, and inactive applications all in the same page. You can also see calls to action if you have any dialogues or updates requested. And when you're actually going to fill out your application, you have your details that you can confirm right here. It's a lot quicker than it was before. Then when you go to select your template, you can say, okay, I'm going to use my manager template, and it will pre-fill with all the information you need. And then you can decide, okay, well, for this application, maybe I don't want to include this, maybe I don't want to include that. You can review and see all the things that you have, and see this as it's going to be seen by the employer when they're reviewing your application. And then you can hit submit. And as before, you have all of your requests for information up here, and on calls to action down here on the cards. The final thing I want to show is videos. We have a new video library that we're presenting to the candidate. You can see, okay, I've recorded a first impression video here, but in addition, we're very soon going to be adding digital dialogue videos that are recorded. We'll add that as an option for the candidate to save those videos and then reuse them in future. Some other things that we're working on is a mobile first experience so that the candidate can go on this website on their phones. And we're actually sprucing up the first impression video recorder as well, and help encourage and guide them through the process, encourage them to make a really good first impression that talks about what they're passionate about. As always, we welcome any feedback with any of this. Really excited for you guys to see it in the next couple of days when we release it.